Are you looking for the best panini presses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best panini presses. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the George Foreman Evolve Grill. The George Foreman Evolve Grill makes fresh and delicious paninis. However, if you're looking for more than just a panini press, you'll appreciate how this grill also comes with waffle plates and ceramic grilling plates. In fact, you can use the versatile plates for chicken, burgers, grilled veggies and more. A quick burst of heat, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, is useful for searing meat. Whether you're cooking steak or making a panini, the adjustable grill plates are designed to accommodate your food. The grill plates are coated with a non-stick ceramic material, which makes cleanup simpler and reduces the need for extra cooking oil. As an added bonus, the grill plates are removable and dishwasher safe. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart GR5 Griddler. This 5-in-1 countertop grill is a panini press as well as a full grill, full griddle, contact grill, and part grill, part griddle. Making paninis is a breeze thanks to a durable panini-style handle along with a floating cover that adjusts to the thickness of the sandwich. A contemporary brushed stainless steel housing gives this panini press a modern appearance. A temperature range up to 450 degrees accommodates various cooking and grilling needs. Non-stick cooking plates promote even heat distribution. They're also removable and reversible, allowing you to drain off extra grease for a healthier meal. Adjustable temperature controls with indicator lights allow you to stay in control of your panini and follow its progress. This product includes gourmet recipes and a scraping tool. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Panini Press. This panini press doubles as a gourmet sandwich maker and comes in medium and large sizes. Don't be shy when it comes to loading up your favorite sandwich, as the floating lid can accommodate sandwiches of various thickness. Non-stick grids impart those classic grill lines onto your food, while also allowing fat to drain away. Power and preheat lights let you know when the machine is on and ready to cook. The cooking surface is large enough for a big sandwiches, or 2 smaller ones. High customer ratings, affordable price tag and fast shipping makes this product Amazon's choice for panini presses. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Griddler Elite. We've included another Cuisinart Griddler on our list, but if you're looking for a panini press with a little more oomph, be sure to check out the Elite model. Featuring 6 cooking options, you can use this griddler as a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, half griddle, and a top melt. The dual-function plates are removable, reversible, and are non-stick. Much like the Breville Smart Grill on our list, this option also lays completely open and flat so that you can extend your cooking surface to 240 square inches. That's right, make eggs on one side and sear bacon on the other. Featuring an electronic display that lets you set a timer, and adjustable dual-zone temperature control functionality, this appliance offers a truly customized cooking experience. This appliance can also feature a sear setting that reaches 500 degrees. And finally at number 1, we have the Breville Smart Grill. If you're looking for the best panini press with all kinds of cool features and multiple functions, this smart indoor grill from Breville is an excellent choice. More than just a gourmet sandwich maker, this appliance bridges the gap between the outdoor and indoor cooking experience for an incredibly cool, versatile, and must-have kitchen gadget. Equipped with a ribbed plate on top and a flat plate on the bottom, this appliance has a unique design that can either be closed for sandwiches or lay completely flat, called barbecue mode, for a larger cooking surface perfect for searing meats, making pancakes, and cooking eggs. The plates are also interchangeable, the drip tray is removable, and both are dishwasher safe. An additional ribbed plate can be purchased here. Here's the cool part. Featuring embedded heat sensors that register when cold food is added to the grill, This appliance actually reacts to temperature drops and compensates by injecting heat for a rapid recovery back to the desired cooking temperature. This design, along with 1800 watts of cooking power, ensures faster cooking and reduced preheating time. There are also adjustable timing and temperature controls. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.